The electric bike for Adults Q20 is a robust and versatile e-bike designed to cater to a variety of riding needs, whether commuting, leisurely cruising, or tackling a bit of rough terrain. With its impressive specifications, the Q20 promises an exhilarating riding experience and a perfect blend of performance and comfort. Here's a closer look at what makes this electric bike stand out. One of the most striking features of the Q20 is its powerful motor options. Customers can choose between a 2000W or 1500W motor, both capable of propelling the bike to speeds of 37 miles per hour and 30 miles per hour respectively. This kind of power is more than sufficient for navigating urban environments or tackling challenging trails. Acceleration is smooth and responsive, allowing riders to reach their desired speed quickly and safely. Whether you're zooming through city streets or enjoying a weekend escape on rural paths, the Q20 delivers an exciting ride that feels both safe and exhilarating. The bike is equipped with a high-capacity 52V 40AH or 48V 20AH lithium-ion battery, which is a game-changer for long-distance rides. Depending on the riding conditions and level of pedal assist used, the Q20 boasts an impressive range of 30 to 180 miles on a single charge. This means you can embark on longer adventures without the constant worry of running out of power. Riders who enjoy touring will appreciate the freedom to explore further without needing to recharge frequently. When it comes to charging, the Q20 impresses once again. The battery can be removed for convenient charging, allowing you to power it up indoors or wherever you have access to an outlet. The bike's charging time is relatively quick, making it easy to plug it in overnight or during a workday if needed. Additionally, the battery management system ensures the longevity and safety of the battery, providing peace of mind as you ride. Comfort is a significant consideration in any bike, and the Q20 does not disappoint. It features an ergonomic design with a comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars that can accommodate riders of various heights. The suspension system, which includes both front and rear shocks, effectively absorbs bumps in uneven terrain, making your ride smoother and more enjoyable. This is particularly beneficial for those who might encounter potholes or gravel paths, as the Q20 can handle these challenges with relative ease. Safety is paramount, and the Q20 is outfitted with high-quality braking systems. The bike features hydraulic disc brakes, which offer excellent stopping power and responsiveness, enhancing rider confidence, especially when navigating steep descents or busy streets. The inclusion of bright LED lights both in front and at the rear ensures visibility, making night rides safer. Reflective strips further enhance visibility, a critical aspect for urban commuters who may find themselves riding after dark. The build quality of the Q20 is commendable, constructed from durable materials designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. The frame feels sturdy yet lightweight, which is essential for maneuverability. With its sleek design and modern aesthetics, this e-bike not only performs well but also looks good while doing it. It's available in a variety of colors, allowing riders to choose a style that matches their personality. One of the standout features of the Q20 is its versatility in modes of operation. Riders can opt for electric-only mode, where the motor does all the work, or pedal assist mode, which combines your pedaling power with the electric motor for a more natural cycling experience. This customizable approach allows the bike to cater to different riding styles and preferences, making it suitable for both seasoned cyclists and those new to e-bikes. However, it is worth mentioning a couple of potential downsides. The weight of the bike can be a consideration for some riders. At around 70 pounds, it's not the lightest option on the market, which could make it challenging to lift or transport for some users. Additionally, the price point may be higher compared to basic e-bikes. However, considering the impressive features and performance capabilities, it offers good value for the investment. In conclusion,